Have you ever seen fish just stay in one spot in a fish tank and river? No, neither have I. We want our code to make the fish start in a random location and move. To start the fish in a random location, click on the motion circle. We have two options we could use here. Go to the random position and go to XY. Which block do you think we should use?
I'll try the go to a random position first. When I click on the blocks, the fish will generate randomly, but some may appear outside of the water. We will want our fish to appear in the water, so the go to random position is not the best of choice for us. I'll put go to XY block in the code, and since we want it to be random, I'll put the random operator back in this block as well. Now the tricky part will be figuring out what numbers to put in the XY location to keep the fish in the water. X and Y describe locations on the screen. X tells us where the fish will be from left to right. Move your fish as far left as you can on the screen. What value do you get for X when you move it here? I get negative 240. I'm going to put that in my XPick random operator. I'll then move it to the right and see what number I get there. I got 240. So I will put 240 in the other part of the random operator. Y describes where the fish is from top to bottom. You try figuring out the numbers you will put in for Y. Put the fish at the top of the water to find one number, and the bottom of the water to find the other number.
What did you figure out? I picked negative 170 and 0. This means the fish won't be generated lower than negative 170 or higher than 0 on the screen. This should keep all of our fish in the water. Click on your blocks to verify. The last part we want to do for the first challenge is make our fish move, not just stand still in the water. We are going to build this part of the code out separately, starting a new set of blocks. Go to the motion circle and drag out the glide XY block. Since we want the fish to continue to stay inside the water, we will put the same random numbers in the X and Y position as we did for the last block. Set up your block by using the random operators again. Then see what happens when you change the number next to the word glide in this block.
I like having my fish glide for 2 seconds, so I will make the number next to glide 2. Now it's time to get the computer to do all of this when I click the green flag. Let's go to events and pull out the when the green flag is clicked event. Put that at the top of both blocks of code. Test your code by clicking the green flag. It works, well, kind of. The fish only glides once. What do you think we can do to make the fish glide forever? Hint, go to the control circle to see if there is a block that will allow the fish to glide forever.
Did you figure out that we need to put the glide block in the forever loop? If I press the green flag now, I should have a fish that glides around forever.
Congratulations, you have completed challenge 1.